magnitude and may be overturned.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Michigan counties: Wetumpka and Newaygo. Effective until 4:01 p.m., the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a
tornadoes and
severe thunderstorm warning for Newaygo County in west central Michigan, western Mecosta County in central Michigan, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near White Cloud, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Big Rapids, Newaygo, White Cloud, Fremont, Hesperia, Grant, Morley, Croton, Bridgeton, Paris, Stanwood, Broman, Woodland Park, Rodney, Bremen, Hawkins, Woodville, Broken Hood Airport, Bidley, Chippewa Lake. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.